G5 jet. I'm on my way to a brand new kit.
Welcome back, eSIM Studios. My name is Taylor Bell, and we have another case review for you. This is the Ringke Fusion case. Nice clear case here. For those of y'all that love clear cases, this might just be the one to get. Now, here at eSIM Studios, we do the very best case reviews on YouTube. The typical tech YouTube channel that does review cases, let me give you some insider info. Here's what they do. A case company, whether the case company sends them the case or whether they buy it themselves with their own money, they'll basically get the case in, they'll rip the bag open and slap it on their phone right away. We don't do that here. Here at eSIM Studios, I actually use these cases for at least a few days first, so I can see if there's anything that I don't like. Here at eSIM Studios, we do things a little different when it comes to how we produce our eSIM Studios YouTube channel. I don't read scripts. Well, unfortunately, I was gonna say, you might hear me say a couple times, and that was a perfect example. Could I do more editing? Sure. But I want this to be an authentic, a true to life, real honest YouTube channel with my honest opinions on technology. And we do the very best case reviews, like I said, because I actually use these and then we review them. That's how it should be, right? Now, I did leave the sticker in there because I wanted to peel it off. Yeah, I actually used it with the sticker on there. Yeah, I did. I don't care. So I wanted to wait, though, until we did the review to peel it so we can throw it on there, see what it looks like with a nice, fresh look. So this is the Ringke Fusion clear case for the S24 Plus. I was about to say Ultra. I have an S24 Ultra, and I was just doing case reviews for that. So this is the Plus, S24 Plus. Nice purple, I guess violet's the official name. So it's a great case if you want to keep the look and feel of the original phone with added protection, right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and let me change camera angles and we will get into the review. All right, and away we go. Don't forget, I almost forgot, check out our live streams. If you like technology, and I'm sure you do, that's why you clicked on the video, please check out our daily live streams. We not only upload reviews of technology products, we also do a daily live stream, eSIM Studios podcast live stream every day. I think we're on episode number 41 today, and I think out of the last 41 days, I only missed like 2 or 3 days. We do a daily live stream and we discuss everything technology. I mean, everything from cases to phones. I think we were just talking electric cars the other day, right? The phone manufacturers are starting to make electric cars like Xiaomi. We were talking that the other day. So join us for our daily live stream. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified when we do go live every day around 4 to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is a clear case, as mentioned. It is a completely see-through. Now, this is a dual material case. So there's 2 materials in this construction that Ringke used. One is polycarbonate, PC. That's the backing here, the hard backing you see. And then they also use TPU, which is a softer material that they use for the mid-frame all around the border. It's a little more flexible. It makes it easier to get your phone in and out of the case. Plus, it provides shock absorption, if hopefully you don't, but if you drop your device. So it not only provides the shock absorption all around the border of the phone, but it gives it a nice rigid structure so it doesn't flex. Because when you do drop the phone, the way the glass cracks is the more your phone basically flexes and or bends, that's how the glass cracks on impact. So you want a nice rigid structure, foundation, frame. That's what this Ringke case gives you with the hard polycarbonate back. But as I mentioned, the soft border here made of TPU also assists in saving your device. But this is a very nice construction. So, and very interesting because look here. On the back, some of these are hard to see, right? Because it is so clear. Now, they say that it's made of anti-yellowing material. So this should not turn yellow over time. As you know, you may not know, but the UV rays from the sun turn a lot of these, not this Ringke case, but the cheap ones, the cheap clear cases will turn yellow the more it's exposed to the sun or the UV lights coming from the sun. This is made with anti-yellowing material, but look, it actually has bumpers. So the back is flat, right? And I'll show you. The camera lenses are, when you put the phone in, are actually flush, and even with these cutouts, which you would say, well, that could entice these lenses from getting scratched if you lay the phone down on its back. Well, not with this case, because they actually put stands, little bumpers on all four corners of this case. So when you do lay it down on its back, it lifts it just ever so slightly off of the surface, so your lenses are not going to be touching that surface. Now, you have nice precise cutouts for the dual microphones up top. You have nice big cutout for the USB Type-C port and mic on the bottom, and your speaker right there off to the left. And you have added material here around all four corners. You see how it's flat here, and then let me see if I can get it just right, and then it raises right here. So it raises up and around, and it does that on all four corners. Added material gives you better drop protection, right there, and then right here as well. Now they do also have air pockets. It's kind of like an airbag, right? For a car, you can see it when my finger is, you can see it better if my finger is behind it. All four corners, there's a little air pocket in there. Right there as well. And they do give you lip protection. So the case is actually raised around the top part of the case and the bottom part of the case. It's actually raised. You see that? See how it raises up? It provides distance, space between your screen and the surface you're laying it down flat on. So let's go ahead and slap it on there and we'll see what it looks like. Let me take these off first. There we go, and give it a nice new look. Uh-oh. There's some that is down here at the bottom. There we go. Got it all off. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and slap it on. Goes on nice and easy. Make sure you got all four corners in. Wow, look at that. You know, when I was using it, I was like, damn, it almost looks like I don't even have a case on it. And it kind of feels like that too, because it's not too bulky, right? Some cases are so bulky, it doesn't even feel like you're using the phone, the original phone. Now, Samsung redesigned it this year. All new look, feels great in the hand. And with this case, you get that same feeling, right? Let me show you what the cameras look like. Here, let's get a good view of it, right? So there's the front. There's the bottom. See what I mean? It's a really nice case. You can tell where the lip raises up here to protect the screen. On this side, you can see where it's raised up over here on the back side. So it raised up on the top and the bottom. Check that out. See right there? Right here. They raise it, so when you lay it down face flat, it provides a little distance between the screen and the surface, so you're not going to scratch it. Same thing with the back. Now look, It is a minimal case, but it does provide protection. Ringke goes the extra mile to add little things like bumpers on all four corners on the back, right? So when you lay it down, you're not gonna have to worry about scratching your sensors, because they do sit flush with the case, which is nice too, because it is a thin case. Now there is some look, it doesn't sit 100% flush. There might be a 0.5 millimeter where it sits inside the cutouts. But just to give you a little extra insurance, you can tell here, a good example of the raised corners on the back. And then you can look inside here and tell that there is a bumper and air cushion inside the case there. Nice, precise cutouts. Look at that. Look at that cutout. Perfect. And then there on the bottom, absolutely perfect. Nice, clean look. Show off your color. And then you have, this is cool too, because look, they actually, with engravings, label each button. So this power button, listen. Can you hear that? It's actually engraved. So this is a rough feeling, a grooved feeling for the power button. This is a smooth. The volume down is smooth. And then the volume up has a dot on it. So when this happens to me all the time. I can't, not every day, but all the time. You got your phone in your pocket. Somebody says something to you, walks up to you, asks you a question, asks the weather, whatever, right? You're listening to a podcast, music, whatever, and you don't want to be rude and pull your phone out. So you stick your hand in your pocket and you try to turn the volume down. Well, there's been times where, you're trying to do it fast. You don't know what button is what. And you're right. You're like, and you like actually turn it up, or you press the power button real quick a couple times on your phone, and then you turn your camera on. So this is nice, so you don't do that. So you know exactly which button you're pushing without even having to look at your phone. So very nice. You got lanyards on either side. See, lanyard holes, cutouts on the left side, lanyard hole cutouts on the right side, so you can have a wrist lanyard no matter what hand you're holding this phone with. All right, you don't see that too often, quite honestly. Really, really, really nice looking case. I don't have any complaints. Again, I've been using this for a few days and it's really good. Now, is it slippery? Because some of their other cases do have grips along the sides. If I had anything negative to say, I'm going to say maybe, right? Because look, I didn't experience any slip, and I did not experience it being any more slippery than it already feels. However, side note, I have not been in any environment where I've had either sweaty hands or moisture on my hands. I don't go to the gym. I don't work out. I should, but I don't get sweaty hands from working out or going to the gym. So I did not experience that. And I, don't have a pool or gone swimming or any outdoor activities with water. I have not done. So could it become slippery in the hand? Possibly, right? Again, I'm going to say I did not test that basically. But normal everyday usage around the house, running errands, I used this and it did not feel extra slippery to me, or I didn't think even one time, damn, this is slippery. That thought never crossed my mind. Now, if you go work out at the gym a lot, or let's say you're a swimming instructor or, something of that sort, maybe. But again, I don't know. I didn't test it. So normal usage, it is not slippery. But just keep that in mind. So very nice case. I'll leave a link for this in the description box to their website and to the link on Amazon, right? And promo code down there should work for you. And yeah, I believe this is a nice case to get if you want to have that same look, the same feel of the original device. Show it off. It is a beautiful phone. So that will wrap it up for the Ringke Fusion Clear Case for the S24 Plus. Don't forget, check out our live streams. We live stream every day in the afternoon, right? So subscribe to the channel. You get case reviews, you get live streams, you get honest opinions, and no script reading from me. What more could you ask for? We are the do-it-all tech channel here on YouTube. So the go-to check channel. Blah, blah, blah. Check. Lord have mercy. We are the go-to tech channel on YouTube. I'm out. Peace.